Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add, change, or remove an email address on LinkedIn. Managing your email addresses on LinkedIn is essential for keeping your account secure and ensuring you receive important notifications at the right inbox. Let's walk through each of these processes step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, log into your account using your current credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll see your LinkedIn homepage with all your connections and updates. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is the control center for managing all aspects of your LinkedIn account, from privacy settings to communication preferences. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll see various categories for managing your account. Click on Sign In and Security. This section contains all the tools you need to protect your account and manage how you access LinkedIn. Within the Sign In and Security menu, locate and click on Email Addresses. This is where you'll be able to view all the email addresses currently linked to your LinkedIn account and make any necessary changes. To add a new email address, click the button labeled Add Email Address. A form will pop up prompting you to input the new email address you wish to add. Type in the email carefully, then enter your current LinkedIn password for verification purposes. Once both fields are filled in correctly, click Submit. LinkedIn will send a verification email to the address you just added, so you'll need to check that inbox and confirm the email before it becomes fully active on your account. If you want to change your primary email address, you'll need to verify the new email first. Find the email address you want to make primary and click Resend Verification link next to it. This will send a fresh verification email to that address. Head over to your Gmail or whichever email service you're using and open the message from LinkedIn. Click the verification link inside the email to confirm that you own this address. Once verified, return to LinkedIn and you'll now see a Make It Primary button appear next to that email. Click it and this email will become your primary contact for all LinkedIn communications. Finally, if you need to remove an email address from your account, simply click the Remove button beside the email you no longer want associated with LinkedIn. A prompt will appear asking you to input your password for security reasons. Enter your password and click Remove to finalize the deletion. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add, change, or remove email addresses on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.